I want to show you an area where I need to go more often. Yeah. Everybody needs this. It's a very healthy thing to do. But you first have to find a nice, quiet space, nice and dark. And there goes the stairs going up. And look at this. Here's a closet underneath the stairs. Let's see if this area would work for that. Okay. Let's get the light turned on. Oh. What is that thing? Oh. Okay. This is a meditation area, huh? And Mommy likes to come down here. I need to come down here. She's got some little candles. And let's see if we can't turn that on. Like that. Light incense down here. I mean, she's got a Buddha here. I don't really care for Buddhas much, but she does, and I thought, okay, let's just make a nice little area for her. We got some fake little plants there. We've got a couple candles there. She can light incense down here, and she's got this thing here. I mean, you could just get in a dark area and have something like this. What the heck is this? I was going to make one of these for her. It's just a little stool. It's got an angle on there. Okay. Well, I thought, you know what? By the time you go and try to build something like this, you might as well go and try to buy something like that online somewhere. And that's what she ended up doing. She bought that online. And let's see if I can show you how it works. You can kneel down and you can put your feet underneath it, but I've seen people, they just lift this up, you know, and then put it down. Let's see here. Hey. No, that's not right. Okay, like that. Like that. See, this thing here needs to get out of here. Let's move this. She had that under there. And this would be put underneath there. Man, come on. There, like that. It's almost too low. Now you can sit there and just relax. Some people will do this business, or you can cross your legs and do it, but this is nice. It keeps the weight off of your knees, and it's just enough to lean back on, like that. And then you could close the door, turn the light off, dim the lights, whatever, and just sit in silence. Or play some soft music, maybe some Indian music or something, find on your iPad. And just sit here and relax. Just let your mind go. You know, it's something very healthy to do. Now, most people don't do that, and it's something so easy. I don't know why she had that there. I guess you could do that and do it that way, but or if you don't have one of these, you know, you can put that off, or do whatever, you know, do whatever you want to relax. But I find it's easier to use that little stool. She goes to a Buddhist temple, and they have some little stools that they made. They're just pretty much like this, and they work so good. The ones they had, I found, were just a hair taller, and I would try to do this and try to get my feet under it and stuff. And then I saw a lady one time. She just picked it up and put it down. I thought, oh, that's the way to do it. You know, like that. And just sit there. Try it. Do it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes even. You'd be surprised what that does for your mind. It clears your mind of everything. Just get in a dark room. You can close the door. I put a dimmer switch in here on the light so we could dim the lights down, and she could have these lights on down over here. I mean, you don't even have to have candles. You can leave those off. You can just get in a dark area, get in a dark closet, or a little area like this if you have underneath your stairs or whatever. It doesn't have to be that bright. This just happened to be perfect to where we could walk underneath the stairs because it's a little taller. It's a little taller than 6 foot or so. And I can walk right under this. Perfect spot. I thought, hey, let's use this for a meditation area. Okay? Perfect. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.